So ito na yung ating ikalimang step in solving the mean and variance of the sampling distribution of sample means. The fifth step is we're going to construct sampling distribution of sample means, which consists of three columns: the mean, the frequency, and the probability of each sample mean. Now, we have here yung value ng sample means natin to 2.33. Nilagay ko na rin yung equivalent niya sa fraction, which is 7 thirds, 8 thirds, 3, 10 over 3, 11 over 3, and 4. And later on, gagamitin natin siya na fraction yung ating sample mean sa pag-compute ng mean and variance of the sampling distribution of sample means. Yung mean and variance. Now, ang probability niya of each sample will be 1 over 10 for 2 na sample mean. We have here 1 over 10 also. This is 2 over 10 or 1 over 5. This is 2 over 10 or 1 over 5 also. 2 over 10, 1 over 5. Then 1 over 10 and 1 over 10. If we're going to get the total of these probabilities, that's equal to 1.00. 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 1.00. Now, ilagay natin dito yung the 6th and 7th step, pinagsama ko na, ito yung mean and variance ng sampling distribution. Lagay muna natin yung probability values ng ating mga sample mean. Probability values niya ay 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 2 over 10, or 1 over 5. So this is 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5. Okay, this is 1 over 10 and 1 over 10. The total is 1.00 or 100% probability. Now, to compute for the mean ng ating sampling distribution sample means, we're going to multiply the mean and the probability of this random variable x na si sample mean din. So 2 times 1 over 10 is 1 over 5. 7 thirds times 1 over 10 is 7 over 30. 8 over 3 times 1 over 5, that will be 8 over 15. 3 over 5, this is 2 thirds. Okay. So we have 11 over 30. The last, we have 4 times 1 over 10 is 4 over 10. 4 over 10, ito guys, simplify na lang natin. 4 over 10 is equal to 2 over 5. Okay. And gamit yung calculator, we're going to add all of this. So that is equal to 3.00. Now, to compute for the variance, complete natin itong 3 columns na to. We have x minus mu. Yung mu natin dito is a population mean. Ang population mean natin kanina is equal to 3.00 rin. Now, isulat ko lang ito. This value is our mean ng ating sampling distribution. It's equal to summation of x bar times probability of x is equal to 3.00. Ito yung ating mean ng sampling distribution. Mean of the sampling distribution of the sample mean of sample means. Okay. And for the variance, gagamitin nating formula. We have mu squared, that is probability of x summation times x minus mu squared. Okay? So, para makuha yon, complete lang natin yung 3 columns na to. Then, we have x minus mu. So, ang mu natin, nakuha natin kanina is equal to 3. So, isa-isayin natin. That is 2 minus 3. So, that is equal to negative 1. 7 thirds minus 3. So, that is 7 thirds minus 3. We have negative 2 thirds. 8 thirds minus 3. That will be negative 1 thirds. Okay. And then 3 minus 3 is 0. 10 thirds minus 3, that is not 1 third. 11 thirds minus 3, that's 9, negative 2 thirds. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. Then square natin. This is 1. This is 4 over 9. This is 1 over 9. This is 0, 1 over 9. This is 4 over 9. Is equal to 1. And then, kunin natin yung product nito. This one and then the probability. That is 1 over 10. That is equal to 4 over 90. And then that is 1 over 45. 0. 1 over 45. This is 4 over 90. This is equal to 1 over 10. Okay, simplify natin. Yung pwedeng simplify. We have here, this is 2 over 45. This is 2 over 45. Then we add. 2 over 45, 2 over 45. Okay. So we have fraction 1 over 10 plus 2 over 45. Out of the plus fraction 1 over 45. We have another 1 over 45. Mali ako. 1 over 45. Times 2 na lang. So 2 over 45 na lang. 2 over 45. Plus 1 over 10. Plus another 2 over 45. 2 over 45. Then equals. Answer is 1/3 or 0.333 or 0.33 na lang. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ang variance ng ating sampling distribution of sample mean is 0.33. Sino yan? Yan yung variance ng ating sampling distribution. Sampling distribution of sample means. And the last step is we're going to construct the histogram. Okay? We have 2 2/3, 8/3, 3, 10 over 3, 11 over 3, 4 over 3. Ito yung mga sample mean. At ito yung ating probability of the sample mean. So we have 2, 1 over 10. Isa lang ang frequency nun. So dito lang siya. 7 over 3, isa lang ang frequency. 8/3, dalawa. Ang 3 natin, dalawa rin. 10 over 3, dalawa rin. 11 over 3, 1. And 4, 1. So, ito yung equivalent histogram ng ating sampling distribution of sample means. So, that is how to compute or to determine the mean and variance of the sampling distribution of sample means for finite populations. So, I'm going to give you 2 more examples para naman sa infinite population using the formulas sa properties of the sampling distribution of sample means. Thank you.